Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to update your customer service ID on your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner. Now select account settings. Now on your left, scroll down and select account owner information. Now on your right, scroll down and you guys can see this option right here called customer service ID. And here you guys can see when you call customer service, we will ask you to confirm your identity using this account information. So we have to update what kind of information they ask us to confirm that we are calling for our account. So for that, select its update button. Here it is saying identification preference. So as you can see guys, when you call customer service, we will ask you to confirm your identity by providing your primary phone number and one other piece of information. Please let us know what you would like to use for your other form of ID. So it is saying that whenever we call customer service, they will ask us for our identification those two things, and one of them is our phone number, and the second of them we can choose right here, that the second option they will ask us to verify our identity, that can be a credit card number or a bank account. So as you guys can see that I have not edited a bank account on my PayPal account, so I just need to select on this option right here. But you guys can select one of these options, whichever you like, and by selecting them like this, you just need to select on this done button right here. And just like that guys, now you have successfully updated your customer service ID on your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.